Hey guys, here we are with a pocket life layout. I don't even know what to call them anyway. These are it's actually going to be a 2-page spread because my mommy just bought me a 6 by 12 album and some refills for it. On my cutter, I was just realizing that there is a whole nother hidden compartment. Anyway, I had to go ahead and bring you guys in and chop down because I wanted to use this card. Oh gosh, I'm so sorry. I wanted to use this card, but I also knew that the card and the picture, if I stuck them together, like 2 3x4 cards, they weren't going to fit like the way I needed them to. So I just trim them down, and this is just of my little man, one of my little men's, and he is on a horse. The whole reason why I'm doing 2 sides of this, two layouts, I guess, is because I wanted to use a now and then sticker, and I thought that would fit because as we go on, you'll see some of the color cast is some of the sprinkly bits I used too, by the way. But as we go on, you'll see that the pictures progress. Sort of. Some of them go backwards. Anyway. So I brought in the green sprinklies, the dark green. Most of them are dark green, I believe. I did use the stars and the heart, or the little bursts and the heart, just throughout the layout. I almost used them all the dark green. But I had forgot that I had these, and they're literally sitting on my desk, okay? And of course I gotta bring in some glitter hearts because, yeah, I've got bunches. Sorry, I'm totally out of frame. But I'm just gonna trim off some of the sticker and move on. This is gonna be like a title card. And I was just showing you that I got that camera from the color cast as well. And I also added the everyday down at the bottom. So seek out the joy every day is the title I was going for there. And that little sticker there up top in the left, now and then, that was, I thought I had more stickers that said now and then, but apparently I only had this one in another set. And they were, no, it was a before and after, and I didn't want to use that. It didn't seem relevant to these particular layouts. Put your border on that bad boy, and I do go back to 3 of these cards and add some glitter splatter. No, some like gold splatter to it. It's not the Heidi Shine, it's just something, I think it's called Shine or something. This goofball here. I just went through, gosh, most of this is Citrus Twist. I'm pretty sure all the paper is. Most of these labels and tags and word stickers are going to be Citrus Twist. I did use up some alphas on this as well. I put cheese down, and you'll probably see that in just a few minutes. I believe this is where I was figuring cheese out, and I forgot to pause the video, so sorry about that. One day I'm going to learn to actually how to edit my videos. I've thought being able to do a voiceover was like top notch, and I You know what? I think maybe I did. I did. I didn't record the rest of that whole other one. Well, good. You'll see the end when it gets to the end. That explains why it was only 20 minutes, because I'm like, man, it sure didn't feel, it felt like longer than 20 minutes. Anyway, I kind of do like back and forth with the layering here on this one. And this is just a group of guys that mentor children at the school who are expressing not great behavior. And of course my son had to get in on that group. So gosh, was this in elementary school? No, I think that was, yeah, no, that might have been 5th grade for him actually. So yeah, that was 2 years ago. Here I'm wanting an arrow, and I finally find this one here that I put on there. That is the one just a minute ago, is one that I do add the sprinkle to. And then the very last one as well. This was at the end of that program. They took pictures of them, and one of the things that they had to do was, I think it was every Friday, they had to wear a nice dress shirt, white shirt with collar and a tie. And my son really loved that. I think that was his favorite part about the whole mentorship. Oh, silly goose. I just layered up a bunch of these. Well, not a bunch. More was on the other one, but I layer some of those behind it. And then some of these are from the free digital file you can get, the cut-aparts. And that speech bubble looking thing is one from the cut-aparts. Now that fresh start, I have had that since the beginning of my Citrus Twist kits. So I'm like, yes, I'm finally using it, you know? Oh, gracious. But, yeah, sprinkle. Try not to go overboard, but it still looks like it's overboard, I'm sure, to most people, but looks like I just threw that on the table. Anyway, uh-oh, y'all are moving. So this is last year. That was a picture for his band concert that we went to. And that's going to be like the final now picture, I guess. But we'll layer that bad boy on up. Yeah, I put sprinkles on this one too. I wasn't real wild about it, but you know, once you put them splatters down, it's pretty much there. You're not unless you're gonna redo the card, and I wasn't gonna do that. So I should have brought my typewriter out, but my honey bunny is sleeping, so I wouldn't want that to disturb his beauty rest. But I did put this and sticker. I don't put it on yet, or I might be, but I put it right there. It's Devin's first band concert, and I'm not ready for this, is the way it's supposed to read. Because, you know, just the other day he was, you know, in daycare biting people, and now he's in, you know, now he's in 7th grade. Luckily, he's not biting people anymore, but, you know, it's a little sketchy some days. I'm kidding. I love him to pieces. That's about it, though. That is about it. I love these 6x12 layouts. Oh my goodness. I mean, they went so fast. So I'm not sure if I'll try and do 2 pages each time or how that'll work out, but we shall see. I hope you guys had a great weekend, and I'll be sure to see you guys next time. Talk to you later. Bye.